Do you sometimes wish you could go back in time and have a laugh over tea with Charlie Chaplin, or have a heated debate with Karl Marx over exploitation by the bourgeoisie? Have you ever wished you could dive into your history coursebook and fight alongside Tipu Sultan? Has going on trips with friends become impossible for you because of COVID? If your answer to any of these was a yes, so don't need to worry about it. SafarNama has your back. The SafarNama app brings you a platform that allows you to go on a virtual trip, interacting with 3D models of historical figures. Makhnu the Markhor will be your tour guide throughout the story. First, you need to download the SafarNama application. Then select the language for your stories. Now select the story you want to play. Now get the magic sheet printed and cut it into pieces and place it across the room. Now let's play the story. You can easily interact with the 3D models by zooming and rotating it. Quizzes are designed to get the information you retained from the story. When you answer the quizzes correctly, the Markhor will give you coins to unlock the next storylines. Stay safe and follow the SOPs. A public service message from Makhnu the Markhor.